Let's take a journey back to where it all began. Thousands of years ago, early humans faced a world full of mystery and danger. There were no explanations for the natural disasters, diseases, or the cycle of life and death. In response, humans turned to religion. Religion gave them a framework to understand the unknown. It wasn't just about explaining why the sun rose or why storms happened. It was a way to build order in society. Religion offered answers to life's biggest questions. Where did we come from? Why are we here? What happens when we die? As we evolved from small, wandering tribes into large civilizations, religion played an even greater role. It wasn't just about faith, it was about survival. Religion united people under common beliefs, creating moral codes and systems of justice. It built trust, community, and cooperation, allowing societies to grow and thrive. From the gods of ancient Egypt and Greece to the monotheistic religions of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, faith has always been a cornerstone of human existence. But religion hasn't only been a force for unity. Over the centuries, we've seen religion used for power, control, and conflict. Religious leaders have often held incredible influence, and sometimes that power has been abused. Crusades, inquisitions, and witch hunts are some of the darker chapters in history where religion was used as justification for violence and persecution. Religion has brought people together, but it has also torn them apart. Wars fought in the name of faith, persecution of those with different beliefs, and discrimination all remind us that religion, like any tool of power, can be wielded both for good and for harm. Today, we live in an era where science and technology have provided answers that religion once offered. As we understand more about the universe through science, how life began, the laws of physics, and the nature of the cosmos, many wonder what the future holds for religion. Will it adapt to fit this new understanding of the world? Or will it become less relevant in the age of technology? One possibility is that religion will continue to evolve as it has for thousands of years. Already we see faiths adapting to new scientific discoveries, incorporating them into their teachings. Some religious groups embrace the idea that science and faith can coexist. In fact, new forms of spirituality are emerging, blending ancient religious practices with modern science and ideas about the universe and consciousness. We might even see religions of the future focused on the mysteries of space, quantum physics, or consciousness itself. The idea of a cosmic religion is not so far-fetched. As we begin to explore the stars, colonize other planets, and expand our presence in the universe, our spiritual needs may shift to reflect the vastness of space. Imagine living on Mars or traveling to distant planets. How would that change the way we view our existence? Could entirely new belief systems emerge, shaped by life beyond Earth? Or will current religions evolve to incorporate the experience of space exploration? But there's also the possibility that religion could fade away. We're already seeing this in many parts of the world, where secularism is on the rise. In an age where technology and science are solving more and more of life's mysteries, many people are turning away from organized religion. Younger generations especially are less likely to follow traditional religious practices, seeking meaning through personal exploration, humanism, or other forms of spirituality. What would a world without religion look like? Without the guiding moral and ethical frameworks that many religions provide, would society change for the better or the worse? There's an argument to be made that some of the greatest atrocities in history were committed in the name of religion. But on the other hand, many of the moral principles that shape our laws and societies today are rooted in religious teachings. The values of compassion, justice, and community are central to many faiths. Would those principles survive in a purely secular world? Technology may also play a role in replacing traditional faiths. In fact, we might already be seeing hints of this. Some people turn to technology for answers in the same way they once turned to religious leaders. Algorithms influence our decisions, AI offers predictions, and tech companies shape our daily lives. Could technology itself become a new form of religion? As AI becomes more advanced, might people begin to treat it as a source of wisdom or even moral authority? In the future, could we worship AI as a new kind of God? Another factor is the quest for immortality. Religions have always promised some form of life after death, whether it's heaven, reincarnation, or nirvana. But now science is stepping into this space. Through genetic engineering, cryonics, and even digital consciousness, we're approaching a future where extending human life or even achieving a form of digital immortality could become a reality. If we can live forever through science, what happens to the religious promise of an afterlife? Will people still need faith if technology offers its own version of eternity? And let's not forget the impact of space exploration. As we venture beyond Earth, will our current religions still make sense? Living on other planets, in entirely new environments, could fundamentally change the way we think about life, death, and the universe. We may even encounter alien life forms with their own belief systems, forcing us to rethink what we know about the divine. Could this lead to the birth of entirely new religions based on our experience of the cosmos? But perhaps the most likely scenario is that religion will evolve alongside humanity, as it always has. Even in a highly technological future, humans will still seek meaning, purpose, and connection. While the form that religion takes may change, the fundamental human need for spiritual guidance and community will likely remain. So, what do you think? Will religion adapt to the rapidly changing world of science, AI, and space exploration? Could new forms of faith emerge? Or are we heading toward a future where religion fades and technology takes its place? And what will our world look like if we live without the influence of traditional religion? The future of faith is uncertain, but it's sure to be fascinating. Like and subscribe to In the Future, and stay tuned for more explorations into the future of humanity.